We said, well, actually, let's see how this working from home lark is going for everybody.
CTIO 101, Business Technology, Simplified and Shared, sponsored by Fairmont Recruitment, hiring technology professionals across the UK and Europe. Don't forget to subscribe.
It's interesting I mean, like you say, online gives people a kind of screen to hide behind if they want, and that's fine. Like I say, we don't, we're not going to force people to make them feel uncomfortable. It was just at the start of the pandemic, actually, when we thought we were only going to be working from home for 2 or 3 months. Everybody had a picture of a house, and everybody then had to put what they liked about, working from home, what they enjoyed, bring their kind of voices to the table on that level playing field. What it also does is reveal some of the challenges, which is exactly what that, the purpose of that forum is for, to reveal any issues or challenges. So it did a couple of things, and that's why, retrospectives isn't necessarily a set thing.
An Agile Retrospective is a meeting that's held at the end of an iteration in Agile Software Development. During the retrospective, the team reflects on what happened in the iteration and identifies actions for improvement going forward. CreditTechTarget.com, CTIO 101, Business Technology Simplified and Shared. Subscribe now. Sponsored by Fairmont Recruitment, hiring technology professionals across the UK and Europe.